Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily find out recently opened or created files in Windows. So let's begin. So firstly press Windows and R, then type this cell :recent and press enter. Now you will see here all the files and the folder that you have recently created. So here are all the files that I have recently opened with the modified date. So in this way you can find out the recently opened or created files in Windows computer. So if you are finding this video useful, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching.